southwestern Nash County, central Wake County, west central Wilson County, northern Johnston County, south central Franklin County, until 8 p.m. At 7:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Garner, or near Cary, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Pilot, Roseville, Raleigh, Lake Wheeler, William B. Olmsted State Park, Zebulon, Flowers, Lake Benson, Bunn, and Clayton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina: Franklin, Johnson, Nash, Wake, and Wilson.